So today we're talking about circles. In class, we talked about the definition of a circle, which was the set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point, which is called the center. Circles, we could write them in standard form, which is probably the most familiar to you from geometry class. Standard form of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So what this does is this moves left and right. This is going to move the circle up or down, and r here is the radius. So one thing you need to remember is that this built-in negative sign is going to move it the opposite way that you might think. So HK is the center of the circle, and R is the radius. So a picture that we can draw that goes along with this is there's the center, which is HK, and then the radius is that that equidistant, part of the definition, that it doesn't matter where you draw the radius, that it should have all the same distances. So it's that collection of points. So this point right here, XY, will be on the circle. One definition that's going to be kind of important is the distance definition, and that's kind of from that distance formula, that's where you get the standard form of a circle. So if you remember, the distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. What we're trying to do here, though, is show that the radius is the distance between these 2 points here. So the distance is the radius, and your 2 points are x minus h, those are your x values, squared, plus y minus k squared. And then from here, if you square both sides, you get r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, which is the same as the standard form of a circle. So one common question that we might ask is, write the standard form of a circle with the center at 4, -1, and the radius of 6. So that would just be, that's my h, k, and r value. So it would be x minus 4 quantity squared plus y minus a -1, so we can call that y plus 1 squared equals r squared, so 36. And we will talk later about the general form of a circle, so this is all we have for now.